Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not loading videos. Start by checking your internet connection. Turn off Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data, or turn off mobile data and switch to Wi-Fi. Open TikTok again and see if videos load. If the internet is slow, videos may not play. Next, close the TikTok app completely. Then open it again and check if the videos start loading. If that does not work, restart your phone. Power off the device, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. After the phone restarts, open TikTok and test video loading again. Now, check if TikTok needs an update. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and install any available update. An outdated app can cause videos to stop loading. If the issue is still there, clear the TikTok cache. Open your phone settings, go to Apps or Application Manager, go to Installed Apps and find TikTok, tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache only. Do not clear data. Open TikTok again and check if videos load properly. Also, make sure your phone has enough free storage space. Low storage can stop apps from working correctly. Delete some unused files or apps if needed. Finally, log out of your TikTok account and log back in. After trying these steps, TikTok videos should start loading normally. Thanks for watching.